Today it's tailgate time on the Weber Traveler, and I thought, what better way to bring the stadium into the parking lot than with some amazing bacon-wrapped chili cheese dogs. Let's head out, get the grill fired up, let's get cooking. So let's fire the Traveler up. We'll go ahead and open that lid. We'll turn this to high. Give it a couple clicks, we're good to go. Now, we'll close the lid. We're gonna go ahead and preheat this. I think we'll be cooking around 400 today. That way we make sure we don't burn the bacon while we're cooking the hot dogs. We kept this recipe super easy because after all, you're cooking in a parking lot while you're tailgating, right? We've got some beautiful Angus beef hot dogs. We're gonna wrap them with some thin sliced bacon, and then we're gonna put some pimento cheese, chili, and some of those amazing corn chips onto a pretzel bun. This is going to be literally a tailgating masterpiece. Well, we've already started wrapping some of these, but I thought I'd show you how we get this done. Thin sliced bacon is gonna be your friend because it is not gonna be too thick and prevent the dogs from cooking while the bacon cooks. Then wrap it around, give it a little squish to kind of help everything seal, and you're good just like that. We'll finish this last guy up, but I'll tell you what, bacon wrapped hot dogs, I don't think it gets any better than that. Well, wait, maybe with chili it does. Well, we've added our chili, and I'm using my basting pot just to heat the chili up. Now we're gonna put those dogs on. We are cooking at 400 degrees today. I went a little bit lower because I definitely don't want anything to get too crazy, but line those dogs up like that. So we'll close the lid and let these guys go for just a couple minutes. We'll come back, start rotating. All right, here we are 2 minutes in. I'm gonna start rotating those hot dogs, make sure I get a good cook on that bacon. We'll just keep doing this now. We're also gonna keep an eye on that chili, make sure it all comes to temp. Total cook time is gonna take us about 12 minutes. All right, we're about 6 minutes in here. Keep rotating that bacon. I'll tell you what, these are gonna be fantastic. So we'll just keep going here, make sure everything gets set. We'll let them go. Like I said, total cook time, about 12 minutes. As you can see, during the last few minutes of cooking, I'm gonna go ahead and toast those buns off. And basically, I just split those pretzel buns open to get some heat on the inside. I'm not looking to get too much heat or too much color or too much toast. Just wanna warm them up so they're a little bit soft, but we'll let those go for the last 3 to 4 minutes. All right, we took the buns off, we're good to go. Look at that, those hot dogs are perfect. Little bit of char, bacon is done, chili's bubbling, we're good. We'll pull these guys off, I'll see you in the kitchen. So now it's time to assemble this tailgate masterpiece. So look at this, a little bit of pimento cheese inside the bun. We'll go ahead and add that hot dog in there. Next up, a little bit of chili. Hey, listen, no beans in this chili this time. So we kept it legit, right? Set that on our plate like that. And then check it out, a little bit of those amazing, beautiful corn chips right on top. That's it. Talk about perfection, tailgating masterpiece. Yeah, we call this a tailgating masterpiece. Now, if you're looking for another great tailgating masterpiece on that Weber Traveler, check out our taco video. That is coming up next.